Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make pictures or images round within Canva. So yeah, if for example you want to make this picture of the sea round, or just you want to, make this image, you want to fit this image into a circle. So this is actually very easy. So you want to go to Elements in the left sidebar, tap on it, and then scroll down until you see Frames. As you can see, Frames. So tap on this circle. That's what you can do. Tap on it, or you can just select all the ones if you want to. So tap on this circle, and now as you can see, nothing happens. But you need to move this sea image into this circle. As you can see, release it, and you can change the the position of the sea. For example, like this, or you make it smaller or bigger, or I don't know. You can play around with that. You can use smart crop if you want to, but that does not look very nice. And if you ask me, that's what you can do. But I like this, something like this. And as you can see, now the picture is round. Now the image of the sea is round. So if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, since it means a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.